Persistent ant infestations in lawns can indeed signal underlying soil health problems that favor colony establishment and recurrence. Ants thrive where soil structure is loose, nutrient poor, or overly dry, so start by conducting a basic soil test for pH, organic matter, and texture to identify actionable deficits. If pH is outside the optimal grass range, amend gradually with lime or sulfur following test recommendations and retest after 3 to 6 months. Increase organic matter with 1 to 2 annual top dressings of compost applied thinly and worked into the surface to improve moisture retention and microbial activity. For lawns installed over sandy fill, evaluate compaction and consider adding a loam top layer of 2 to 4 inches to give roots and microbes better habitat. Heavy equipment should be avoided on wet soil to prevent further compaction. Targeted insecticide use is appropriate when colonies are established and causing damage, but apply products at nest entrances and follow label directions to reduce non-target impacts and preserve beneficial predators. Finally, set up a simple inspection routine of walking the yard once a month during warm seasons to locate new mounds early and repeat soil tests every 2 to 3 years to track improvements. 3 common mistakes are treating ants only with surface poisons without addressing soil conditions, assuming all ant species require the same control, and overwatering to compensate for poor soil, which creates other problems. Relying solely on surface treatments leads to recurrence because colonies simply relocate or deeper nests persist, so combine nest treatments with the soil amendments mentioned earlier. Misidentifying species causes ineffective tactics since some ants forage widely and need baiting, while others nest in soil and respond to nest injections, so observe trail patterns and mound structure before choosing a method. Overwatering to green up a patch built on sandy fill causes shallow root systems and stress, so correct soil texture and organic matter instead of increasing irrigation, and then adjust watering to deeper, less frequent cycles. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who work on soil remediation, lawn renovation, and pest management, and gives contractors a place to find new projects. We also host a discussion community where we share field experiences, before and after examples, and practical tips so we can all learn together and manage recurring ant issues more effectively.